everyone, Peter here from Skating Magic, and today I want to show you how to inline skate as a complete beginner. How to go from knowing nothing to skating, to gliding forward, to doing simple things that a beginner ought to know. And by the way, we are committed to publishing a video every Monday over the next 52 weeks. And I have a little favor to ask of you. Please subscribe so that you'll know every time we publish a video. Thank you. First things first. If your beginner inline skates fit poorly, return them. Period. Usually, inline skates fit similar to normal shoes, but different brands may fit somewhat differently. I'm still waiting for my protective gear. A certified helmet, knee pads, elbow pads, and wrist guards. I'm thousands of miles away from Amazon, so it takes quite a while before my orders arrive. And leave your smartphone at home because replacing expensive phones is no fun, is it? Get comfortable standing on grass or carpet. Skates have wheels and can roll forwards uncontrollably at any time, especially when you are a complete beginner. So wear your skates, lace them up nice and tight, then roll over onto your knees, put one knee forward, and use it as support to get up. Stand in the V position and you will be fine. Rough surfaces such as your lawn grass or carpet provide some resistance to movement so you won't fall over. That's why you want to learn the correct skating stance there. This is what the correct inline skating posture looks like. Knees slightly bent, chest up, back straight up, arms to the sides or stretching out to the front, and eyes looking straight ahead. Find a flat, low traffic location. Avoid hilly places, rough roads, and surfaces with little potholes. Also, avoid dusty surfaces and areas strewn with pebbles. If there's one thing that causes beginners and everyone else to fall over, it is small rocks and twigs. Avoid them. Find a low traffic area. Definitely a flat, smooth surface, a parking lot, a tennis court, a bike path, or a local park. And if you could find one of those playgrounds with a soft, hard foam surface, that would be great. Here is what to do to start gliding forward. Put one foot up and then bring it down onto the surface. You are not trying to walk or striding or anything like that. You are simply trying to march on the exact same spot. If the surface is smooth, you'll find yourself moving forward effortlessly. Remember, always stay low as you skate, nice and low and stable. Try to make little quick steps rather than longer, slower ones. The basic principle of inline skating entails shifting your weight from one skate to the other. Watch me do it. 5 absolute beginner exercises to start with. Getting up after falling. Get onto your knees. Get one knee up. Place your hands on it and push yourself up. You will fall many times, so learn how to get up fast. Doing small jumps. Jumps are super important for beginners and everyone else. They help you avoid obstacles such as cracks. Start small and keep practicing. Skating backwards. Start gliding forward. Then do a small jump and then turn 180 degrees so you are now facing in the opposite direction. As you land, roll out the momentum, nice and smooth. Honestly, this isn't very easy for people who have never inline skated before. I don't think you'll be able to do it the first time you try it, but keep trying, and I promise that you will learn it sooner than you imagine. Stopping keeps you safe while skating. Most beginner skates have a brake on the right skate. By the way, you can move the brake to the left skate if you are left foot dominant. Mine came without a brake, not that I wanted it. They are 80mm wheels and I have learned how to slow down and stop. I prefer plow stops, like the way ice skaters stop. It is not hard. Here is how to stop using a brake. Glide forward, then lift the front of the skate with the brake while keeping the heel down. Drag the brake pad on the ground until you stop smoothly. If this little guy can do it, you sure can. The T-stop. The T-stop is one of the most important skills you will ever learn. I still struggle learning the T-stop, but I can plow stop just fine. To do the T-stop, Drag one skate on the surface at 90 degrees to the direction you're moving in until it forms the letter T with the leading foot. This stopping method is super effective, but it wears down wheels pretty fast. Turning on inline skates. Turn your upper body, then your hips, and the rest of the body will follow. Turning is an important skill to learn. It helps you slow down and control speed. And if the space in the skating area is limited, being able to turn and roll in the opposite direction is super useful. Useful tips when learning to rollerblade. Don't bend at the waist because you're gonna end up with lower back fatigue and general discomfort. Don't open your toes too wide. If you do that, you're gonna move way too fast. Stop looking down at your skates. That's how you avoid obstacles that might cause you to fall over. Don't learn inline skating on anything that looks like a hill. If you don't follow this advice, you'll likely end up with road rash or even a beautiful broken nose. Ha 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 ha. Thank you for stopping by to watch this video, and I have a little favor to ask of you. Please subscribe to our channel so that you'll know every time we push out a new video.